Hi, everybody. I wanted to show you how to just kind of walk you through the steps on how to do your LLC. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through the process, and then you can just follow along and slow it down so you can do that as well. The first thing that we're going to do is go to the Ohio Secretary of State homepage, and that's just, you can see right here. That's the website. Just type in Secretary of State and that'll take you where you need to be. This is the website. The only thing you really need to focus on up at this blue band, this blue ribbon, is businesses. You're going to click on that. You're going to go right straight down to business search. And you're going to type in the name of the company. And you're going to then make sure all is checked. And then you're going to hit search. And if there is no business with that name, it'll say no search, no searches. If there is a business with that kind of a name, it'll be in a drop-down box right there. So let's say everything's good with that. Then you're just going to back up to the series of boxes, and you're going to go over to forms and fees. Click on that. You're going to go over to the domestic Ohio business entities. That's what you're looking for. And then here, there's a whole listing of different types of entities, and you're looking for the domestic LLC limited liability company right here. Domestic limited liability company. That's what you want. File articles of organization online. That's what you're going to do. You'll notice that it's $99 and you'll pay that as you go into fill out the form. So you're going to hit file articles of organization, submit a business filing. You're going to put in your name, create a password and a username. And then once you have done that, you'll click here to log in, and it'll take you to the application. And the application looks very similar to this. It's just, it asks you a few questions, name of the business, address, those kind of things, and what's the business about. And then toward the end of that, it'll say, ask you to put in to pay for it. And once you pay for that, just hit submit. And then in the next day or so, you'll go back up to the forms or to the business search, and you'll be able to see your name up there. It typically takes a day or two. That's all there is to creating that. And I hope that was helpful to you. Then what we will do, I'll make another video on the EIN. And so we'll do that as well. So, all right. See you later. I'm going to stop sharing that. And if you have any questions, give me a holler. All right. Talk to you later.